Poopers! You are all poopers. You must fight like you're a pooper.
Whoa, it's actually real time. Okay. All right, that was weird. I don't know what was going on. Maybe my internet had to wake up. So what I did is I poured coffee into the router. That way it just kind of, you know, gave it a boost it needed. Now that my router has had breakfast, what is this? This is crazy. Survival? Okay, I knew what survival is. Like, I'm just gonna pretend I don't. Survival? What's that? So I'm gonna jump in here. I'm gonna see what this is. New game mode, got it, but I don't know what it is. Remember, I'm a Minecraft, I believe they call it noob. So townie is like survival, except you create and expand a town and eventually create a nation of towns. I can create my own nation. Okay, I'm really learning this. All right, I've never done anything like this. I have to click confirm. Oh, do I actually click that? Oh, I didn't know you can actually click on this. All right, and then I click confirm in the chat, right? Nope. It moved up the second I wanted to click on it. What does it say? Congratulations on creating your own town. Town will pay I don't want to pay. What, now I have to pay taxes? TNT town. Uh-oh, we have a rival town. Let's see who's better by the end of today. Probably yours. Uh-oh, okay. People are already trolling me. You know what? If you're trolling me, I will kick you out of the town once I figure out how you can actually do that. Oh yeah, there it is. Look at that. I'm actually completing achievements. Wow, this is amazing. Bye, pigs. I'll kill you later. See you later. Wait, am I employed by someone else? I don't want to be employed by someone else. That's like real life. I want to be my own. I want to be my own boss.
Oh, look it. I'm in TNT land. Cool. Wait. This is your town? Oh, okay. So you guys have been doing this before me. You guys didn't all start today, right? Okay. We started 3 days ago. Whew, I thought I was very bad at the game. No wonder you guys know what to do. Okay, I'm feeling a little better about myself. I thought this was like everyone's trying this out for the first time. But no, that's not the case. What is that? What? There's squids? Those are terrifying. I was about to jump into this water, but there's 3 squids. I feel like they would kill me. Am I wrong? That is crazy. What is that? Oh, it's a salmon. Townie will need to restart in a moment. What? Restart? That means I'm gonna have to like leave this. It'll work. Maybe that's not loud at all. Hello guys. Oh, that's a gold person right there. All right, so what's next on our list? Do we have some iron cooking? Ooh, that's nice. What should we call the people that live in my town? How about poopers. There we go. That's what you're called. Take it or leave it. If you don't want to be a pooper, then don't join Toilet Paperton. Could you imagine if I had to if we went to war with another town and I was like, poopers! You are all poopers. You must fight like you're a pooper. We're gonna work hard. He doesn't care. TNT town is better? Yeah, right now it is, but that's because it's earlier. You know what? At one point, America, in the 1700, America didn't exist, right? Now look around. It's pretty good. Look, toilet paper? Oh, is this toilet paper? Yes, toilet paper town mascot. Who did that? You are now promoted to co-vice president. You're not gonna invade me. Our defenses are too strong. Do you think you could possibly break through 4-high cobblestone with no roof? No way. No way. It's not possible. How many people in my town? 4 still. 7 in the other town. Well, you know what? If you're so much better, why do you only have 3 more people? Explain that, TNT town. What kind of name is that? TNT town. There's too many T's. You know what TNT town reminds me of? The bad guys in Pokemon. Oh, what were they called? Team Magma? Something like that? I think after this, I'm gonna build my own little house. I'm gonna design my beautiful, beautiful cobblestone home. Get out of here. Leave and never come back. I never want to see your face in this part of town again. And I'm gonna leave a little skylight. No, I won't. Actually, yeah, a little skylight. There we go. That's beautiful. Salmon. Okay, yeah. Salmon for days. Oh, goodness. There are salmon heads everywhere. It's very dark. There we go. That looks like Donkey Kong or something. That's pretty cool. Those are heads of Connor. Those are heads of Connor. I'm terrified. There's a ghost living in my... I got to create a new town called Hackerville. Uh-oh. We have more... Make nation. Why? Why make nation? Yeah, invade Hackerville. Stop worrying about us. We need more cities so that people mess with us less. And look at this place. Yeah, so cool. You never thought you'd see me here, did ya? You never thought you'd see me, did ya? One of these days, I will get ya. You know, for 3 days... I'm actually thinking this isn't that great. I think TNT Town is not as good. Yeah, sure, you have flowers around each house. You have a bed. Beds are overrated. You have a bamboo garden, a farm. Sure, you have all that. You have a bell tower. You have 10 houses. But do you have... Oh, you do have a map too. That's pretty cool. You have a wall. You have everything. But do you have an underwater lake that you found accidentally? I don't think so. All right, guys, it is 12 o'clock. This stream is going to cut out any second, just like it did last week, right before I jumped into the lava pit. So thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and thanks for playing.